After the unfortunate incident of the AC going out, we installed this into the window last night. So we did sleep with it throughout the night. There are a couple things I do want to give you a heads up about before you get this one. So I would say overall, it works fine. Like if you need something quick, you know, affordable, yeah, grab it. There are a couple of things that we didn't love. So we've used these before, but for some reason with this one in particular, the curtains here, like they wouldn't stay all the way out. So we actually had to tape it down. Now, of course, there is the option to use this and to nail it in, but we didn't know how we were going to put nail to plastic in the window. And I looked it up online and someone said that it might come with something to adhere to, like an adhesive. We didn't see that. So we just ended up using really strong tape, which, you know, not the best, but at the end of the day, it's temporary and it is working. So, yeah, so there's that. And then, it does come with a remote, which is nice. Oops, just accidentally turned it on. Turn that back off. So yeah, it does come with a remote. The remote works great. No issues there. The only other thing is we did have it running all night. I would say probably since like 11 p.m. and then around like 7, 8 a.m. it did kind of shut off. So I do think that maybe after a while it needs to cool down for a bit. So it shut off and then it did end up coming back on maybe like less than 10 minutes later. So it wasn't a huge deal because the room was pretty cool by then. So overall, the answer about like, did it cool the room? The answer is yes. Again, it's not like the best window AC I've ever had, but I feel like I said, we just need something to get the job done. Then yeah, it works. I just turned it on, so it might be kind of loud, but then over here you can see, you can, you know, change the temperature over here. And then obviously down here you have like the other settings. If you don't want to use the remote, you can just use it here too. So overall, it's fine. If it's hot in your house and you need something to cool a room down, trust me, it works. And now I'm looking a bit closer. It does have this eco button right here. This eco light is on. So I don't think we turned that on purpose. That might be why it ended up shutting off. But in general, like I said, even when it did shut off for a bit, it did come back on. So overall, still fine.